Early April, families leave the town, up to the hills where the graves look down. We clear the weeds, we repair the stone, because being remembered means not alone. Most Taiwanese arrive by sea. Migration risk uncertainty. Qingming recalls those journeys made, lives built on choices ancestors paid. We return to where we came from, to understand where we stand today. Memory here is responsibility, not fear, not ghosts, not swept away. We honor names, land and time, so the future knows its land. In Taiwan, death is not erased, it's faced with care, scheduled in place. We bow, we offer